Hello everyone, I am Nitin Joshi. I came to know a very good news for all the teachers that government has launched a program Vidyadan 2.0, a program of the nation, for the nation and by the nation to ensure continuity for quality learning. So to know what is the program all about, we are here at the website diksha.gov.in. So you can see a message Vidyadan 2.0, share your care, share for your care. Let's know what is the program all about. Vidyadan 2.0, the national program is called for the nation, particularly individuals and organizations across the country to contribute e-learning resources in the education domain to ensure the quality learning continues for the learner across India. यानी कि इसमें टीचर्स और प्रोफेशनल्स जो एजुकेशन के फील्ड से जुड़े हैं वो कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं अपने क्रिएशंस को, अपने वीडियोस को, अपने क्वेश्चंस को, अपने नोट्स को शेयर कर सकते हैं. We can share explanation videos, practice questions, teaching videos, experimental learning videos, and lesson plans. There are some guidelines to contribute. Who can contribute? Individual or organization that have good quality e-learning resources are welcome to contribute to the Vidyadan program. इसके अलावा इंडिविजुअल एज कंट्रीब्यूटर्स यानी कि आप खुद भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू आर एन इंडिविजुअल who has quality e-learning content, you can contribute towards Vidyadan as an individual contributor. If you are a part of an organization, your organization may reach out to you to contribute through the organization. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज कंट्रीब्यूटर यानी कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकती है. इफ़ यू आर ए स्कूल, अ डाइट, अ एनजीओ, an institution or a private organization, you can come forward and contribute to the Vidyadan program. What can I contribute? You can contribute e-learning resources against specific content needs put out by center, state, UT organizations in the form of their projects. Your contribution should be against the specific textbook and content type defined in a project. The e-learning resources can be in the form of videos, MP4, PDF file. You can also contribute questions using tools provided on this portal. How to contribute? The first step in your journey of contribution is to look for the project needs of the center, state, UT organization and nominate yourself to the project for which you have relevant content. You will find the open project needs below. Once you decide as an individual or an organization on what you want to contribute and how much content you want to contribute to a project, you can go ahead and fill in required details, provide a sample of your content and nominate yourself. You will be able to start contributing once your nomination is reviewed and shortlisted. Here is a quick video showing how to nominate a project. So you can also see the project after visiting this website. So this is all about the program Vidyadan 2.0. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you want to visit the website, I will drop the URL of the website in the description box. Thank you.